De La Rosa Maiko Chong, third honorable mention. Rosal Chandli Emmet Rio Valdez, sixth honorable mention. Ruano Runil Chris Ruedas. Sagin Rick Christian Bukan. Saile Jr. Ricardo Aladin.
Chan Chan.
Salaveria Jed Ronald Zorilia.
Chandli.
Sarceno Luis Nicole Mayol.
Chan Chan. Chan.
Sevilla Greenmark Alan Abdon.
Big voice.
Graduates, please raise your right hand and let us recite together the loyalty pledge. I, Chandi Virusal, as a graduate of St. Vincent's College, hereby solemnly promise, in the presence of my parents, teachers, and this community, to live a Christian life devoted to Jesus and Mary, whose protection and care have made me reach this far. As a graduate of this school, I pledge to be true and loyal to the teachings and ideals of my alma mater. I pledge to be a living witness to the kind of education I was molded in, that through my example, others may be edified, and through my example, others may find Jesus and Mary in their lives. So help me God.
So help me
So
God.
help me God. Done.
Big voice. Chandli.
I do solemnly pledge